So, as crazy as it is, Apple has actually never officially told us how you upgrade AirPods firmware. Just simply that, well, if there's an update available, they will connect an update. Finally, today, with the release of iOS 18.3, Apple has clarified exactly what to do if you ever want to officially update your firmware. Now, they do preface this by letting you know the firmwares are delivered automatically when your AirPods are charging and in Bluetooth range of your iPhone, iPad, or Mac that is connected to Wi Fi. But you can also, so to speak, manually pull in this update. So they list out 6 different steps here, only a few of which are actually needed to do the update themselves. And for use of this video, just as an example, I'm going to use our new Anchor power bank that we've talked about. But basically, as they outline it, what you want to do is to make sure that your AirPods, like I said, are in Bluetooth range of your iPhone in this case, that's connected to Wi-Fi, and to put your AirPods in the charging case. So we're going to use our pros for this example. We'll set these fours to the side. Obviously, they are in the case right now. We're going to go ahead and close the case and set it down. What you're going to want to do now is plug in the charging cable to the charging case. So we're going to use this USB-C cable here and simply plug it right in. You heard the chime. It is updating here and charging as needed, as you can see on the display. And then all you technically need to do is keep the lid of the charging case closed. That's one thing that we used to think in opposite mentality, leave it open to kind of trigger it, but no, you want to leave the charging case closed and wait at least 30 minutes for the firmware to update. Once you wait that 30-minute time frame, you're going to want to open the lid of the charging case and reconnect your AirPods to your phone or iPad or whatever it happened to be connected to earlier. What you're going to want to do from that point at time is check the AirPods firmware. And if you're not aware how to do that, it's literally as simple as going into your settings. And when you actually have them connected and open, you will have those AirPod options here, right in the settings menu and right here. So now that we're on this screen, I'll show you right now quickly what we are actually running. We are currently on 7B21. After 30 minutes of the lid being closed and in range of these devices, you will be able to actually see that the firmware has been updated. And then obviously if you have multiple different AirPods like we do here, you'll just rinse and repeat and do the same thing again. So pretty easy. It's what we've always kind of alluded to or thought to. There's been rumors in the past where all you need to do is actually plug in your USB-C cable to a USB-C port on your AirPods from device to device, and that would do it. Clearly, that was not the right way to do it. And finally, Apple has given us some guidance. So let me know if this works for you. Comment down below. Again, this is officially from Apple. They announced this today with iOS 18.3. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.